Welcome to beautiful San Diego, California. I shot this vlog on the Lumix S5 and DJI AIR 2S.
Okay, it's the time where we have ADD and can't figure out what to do.
This weekend, my girlfriend and I have decided to explore where we've been living for the last month and a half. Our first stop was at Subterranean Cafe, which is quickly becoming my favorite coffee place. You can get beer if you really wanted to go crazy in the middle of the day, which I don't typically do, but the food is also really great. I got the sandwich there, as you can see with the lox. Very fresh on the quality scale.
Now you have to learn how to focus it. See that front ring on the camera? Right here. Yep.
Like that. Leave them on.
Got it.
Have fresh juice if you stay here.
Good job.
The orange fish is really chaotic.
It's a fish, babe.
I know, but I can just tell.
Next, we took our coffees and ended up leaving. Funny story, I was looking for gas and ended up accidentally pulling into a naval base or something like that. Anyway, it was pretty weird. The guy got kind of mad. We did, however, make it to Seaport Village. This place is pretty cool. It's chill, it's on the water, people are flying kites, the trees look beautiful.
I wish that if you're watching this video, you subscribe.
There are also plenty of shops to go to. Live music, can't forget about that. It's a good time.
Okay, it's the time where we have ADD and can't figure out what to do. We decided what to do.
You can move into this area once the captain starts the announcements before you board.
We decided to do a little inner child healing and go on a fun little ride. This tour goes from land into water. That was pretty interesting.
We're on the, what is it called?
Seal tour.
We're on the SEAL tour.
We don't know what we're going to see out there, and we don't know what's going to go on, so it's kind of a mystery adventure. 3, 2, 1, sea lion! Woo!
The sea lion tour was super interesting. We started out on the road, ended up in the water, and we saw a bunch of amazing sea lions.
What's up, brah?
Shut up, kid.
Getting out on the water was definitely a great way to spend the middle of the day. Afterwards, we got some food, headed to Coronado Beach, and I flew my drone and do what I do best, which is just acting cool and filming Jessica, and hopefully she doesn't get mad when I film her too much. But lately, she's been really great with that and doesn't give a shit that I've been filming and making everything into a project, which I appreciate. Thank you, babe.
And what a fantastic end to an amazing day.
So amazing.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, be sure to smash the like button. I'm going to do it again because that's Alright. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you always know when I come out